Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making peanut butter blossoms, those beloved peanut butter cookies with the Hershey's Kiss on top that you've probably had at a friend's house or in your own home, or somebody's brought them to the office and you've gotten to partake in their deliciousness. Well, that's what we're making today. And I know, it's not the holidays anymore, but who cares? I mean, can't you have a peanut butter blossom cookie? Why, yes, you can. And feel free to share with your family and friends, or not. The choice is yours. It inspired this song, of course, and thanks for the request. Why can't you eat these all of the time? Don't listen when they try to tell you you only eat these around the holidays. Yeah, don't listen to them. You want a peanut butter blossom cookie with all of those Hershey's Kisses? Go make it. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Second thing, get your cookie sheets ready to go with parchment paper, or feel free to grease them. Third thing, unwrap all those kisses. Let's mix your dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt. And because this is going to have chocolate on top, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon espresso powder. Whisk together. Time to cream the butters and sugars. Unsalted butter, granulated sugar, light brown sugar. Beat together until light and fluffy. Add in your peanut butter. Beat again until fully incorporated. Add in your egg, milk of your choice, vanilla. Mix until fully blended. Add in the flour mixture. Gently blend. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know how I feel about refrigerating your cookie dough. You should do it for at least half an hour. Even an hour would be great for this cookie dough, especially if it's really soft, because we're going to be rolling this into balls. Using a 1-inch, or this is a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop, go ahead and scoop your dough into many different cookies, roll them in sugar, and put them on your cookie sheet. I have one here that I've sort of already done. Rolling it here, rolling it in the sugar, and onto the cookie sheet it goes. At this point, you should have about 60 of these peanut butter blossom balls. We're going to stick them in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes until they're a light brown and slightly puffed. Then we take them out, we put those kisses on top, and back in the oven they go for a couple more minutes, and then out they come. Time's up. They are light brown and puffed. Let's take them all out. Time for those kisses. Lightly press your kiss into the center of that cookie, letting it crackle. It's already crackling, it's looking great. Back into the oven for another 2 to 3 minutes until they're a light golden brown. Time's up, let's take them out. Let them cool completely, and then we get to eat them. Look at this easy to make peanut butter blossom cookie. You can see the crackle on top, and of course, that delicious milk chocolate kiss. So let's take a bite of the cookie, and then we'll take a bite of it with the chocolate. That is a great peanut butter cookie all by itself. The espresso powder that I added in just adds a little bit of extra depth, extra note of something. You don't know what it is, but you know that it is a richer tasting peanut butter cookie in all the right ways. Put it in, leave it out, the choice is yours. Okay, now for the taste with the chocolate. Super delicious. I mean, come on. Chocolate and peanut butter is a match made in heaven always. And again, with that espresso powder adding in, it just adds a little bit extra depth even to the chocolate, which is on top. These are delicious, so easy to make, made a big batch. You can make a smaller batch, but you don't need to wait for the holidays to make these. Make them anytime you like. If I can make these peanut butter blossom cookies on camera for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Instagram for so much more. And again, you can make these cookies your own. Change the flavor of that kiss on top. Experiment, have fun.